Hello. I'm Kim Purnell, President of Adaptive Marketing Group. This video has been created to help you understand your social media marketing options. Basically, the choice is yours. You can either pay someone, including us, to post social media ad campaigns on your behalf, or you can save money and learn how to do it yourself. The intent of this video is to give you the tools to learn how to do it yourself and reach the right audience. Although it is not necessary to have a Wix or Adaptive Marketing Group platform. We hope that you consider using Adaptive Marketing Group as your digital marketing company and Wix as your internet hosting provider. We use and recommend Wix because we are a Wix Legend Marketplace partner, and Wix has the Facebook and Instagram integration and analytical tools to make it easy for you. If your website is hosted by Wix, first log in to your back-office dashboard. Next, locate the dark blue banner on the left side of the main page. You will see the word Dashboard. Follow the tree down until you see Marketing and SEO. Open the link and then you will see Facebook and Instagram ad integration. Once selected, you will see a new box open with a message that reads, "Get to know your Wix AI." Once selected, a YouTube video will execute. We encourage you to watch this short video. After you've watched the video, close YouTube and select the button that says, "Let's start." Another new box will open with the question asking, "What is your goal?" We recommend you select the option to either generate more leads or promote a site page. Upon your selection, continue to the next step. You will be prompted to select your Facebook page. If you don't have a Facebook business page, we can help you design and set one up specific to your business and one that has the same appearance and link to your Wix-hosted and Adaptive Marketing Group designed website. Once you've selected your Facebook page, the Wix hosting site and Facebook ad marketing will start to integrate with one another. Upon completions, a new page will open with the title, "Set up your campaign." In this section, you can create custom call to action text for the campaign as well as upload digital graphic or videos. You can use our videos and graphics or select from another source. Once this step has been complete, select Next and proceed to the Market Selection page. In this section, you will be given the option to select your market demographics, such as gender, ages, hobbies, interests, and geographic marketing locations. Select the Next or the Continue button and proceed to Step 3. Here you will determine the monthly dollar budget you want to allocate to this campaign. Once the budget has been determined, the Facebook integration will identify the projected number of individuals that will be targeted for your ad. In this example, we've selected $199 per month, and the integration estimates that the targeted audience will be viewed by roughly 24,000 individuals. The last step is to review your campaign and select the method of payment for the Facebook ad. Upon the launch of the campaign, return to your Wix dashboard. Here you can periodically review the analytics and how your Facebook ad campaign generates activity to your website. If you need content for Facebook or other social media marketing campaigns, visit our website at www.adaptivemarketingresources.com. Here you will see over 150 digital marketing files and videos specifically created for posting and driving activity to your website. If you need assistance or customization, give us a call at 321-327-9049.